Have you ever wondered how people actually buy and trade crypto? Most beginners hear about exchanges, but here's the thing. Not all exchanges are the same. A centralized exchange, or CEX, works just like a traditional bank or stockbroker. You sign up, deposit your money, and the exchange holds your crypto for you. Platforms like Coinbase or Binance are classic examples. Centralized exchanges have some big advantages. Super easy to use, high liquidity, meaning you can buy or sell quickly. Customer support if you mess up. But here are the downsides. You don't actually control your crypto. The exchange does. Hackers target them, since they store billions in funds. Sometimes governments can freeze accounts or demand ID checks. Now, let's flip the coin. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, removes the middleman. Instead of trusting a company, you connect your crypto wallet and trade directly with other people through smart contracts. Think of it like a digital farmer's market. So why use a DEX? You stay in control of your funds. Greater privacy, usually no sign-up needed. Huge variety of tokens. But here are the challenges. Not as beginner-friendly. Lower liquidity. No customer support if you make a mistake. So which one's better? The truth is, it depends. Beginners usually start with a centralized exchange. But as you learn more, you might move to a decentralized exchange for more control. It's kind of like starting with a driving school car before buying your own. And that's it. Centralized versus decentralized exchanges in plain English. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Block Basics, and tell me in the comments. Do you trust centralized exchanges, or do you prefer going decentralized?